Hi everyone, I'm Mallory and I'm here to show you a 2024 Toyota Tundra Limited TRD Off-Road located at Thousand Islands Toyota at 555 Stewart Boulevard in Brockville, Ontario. As you can see, the exterior color is called Magnetic Gray Metallic and is four-wheel drive. This vehicle also has a 3.5-liter V6 cylinder gas engine. It can put out 389 horsepower. Also has a towing capacity of 4,975 kgs. This Tundra uses 13.5 liters per 100 kilometers in the city and 10.6 liters per 100 kilometers on the highway for fuel economy. By the way, if you like these videos and want to see more, please like and subscribe to our page so we can keep them coming. Now let's hop in and take a look at some of our interior features. So now we're going to take a look at some of the exterior features as we go up the driver's side. So starting at the front here, you have your LED daytime running lights with your LED fog lights just down below. Coming up along the side, you have your 18-inch alloy wheels and your integrated turn signal mirrors. Now we'll take a quick look down the driver's side as we come up to take a look at the rear of the vehicle. So you have a nice step bumper just in the back. And now we'll drop the tailgate and take a look at the box of the truck. So in here you can see you have 4 tie-down cleats, 2 on the driver's side and 2 on the passenger side, with your 120 volt outlet just right there, and 2 cargo lights. We'll take a nice big look at the rear just right there. And there you have it. Now let's hop in and take a look at some of the interior rear features. So now we're going to take a look at the driver's side rear interior door panel and some of the rear interior features. So back here you can see you have your power windows with a nice door handle just in behind that and a little compartment below that. And then down at the bottom you have a bigger compartment with 2 cup holders in it and a speaker off to the side. Quick look at our rear interior here, which is Softex leather seats. These seats are a 60-40 bench seat split. The bottom folds up and the top folds down. To do that, you just pull this straight out. The bottom will fold up. Same thing with up top. You pull this little handle. The top will fold down. You do have 2 car seat anchors on the driver's side and 2 over on the passenger side, with a little armrest in the middle that folds out with 2 cup holders. Right in behind the driver's side seat, you also have a seat back storage pocket. You have 1 in behind the passenger seat as well. Jumping to some of the features in the middle here, you have 2 heater ducts with a little compartment in the middle, which is perfect because if you're going on those nice long road trips, you have a USB-A port, USB-C port, and a 12-volt outlet. So you have a place to go and put your phone, to charge your phone, and a place to put your phone just right up there. And you can see over on the passenger side that you have your power windows as well. And then just up above, you can see your panoramic moonroof with map lights just up on the ceiling. And we'll take one last look at the rear interior. That was a look at our 2024 Toyota Tundra Limited TRD Off-Road in Magnetic Gray Metallic. If this is the type of vehicle you're looking for, please give us a call at 613-342-9111, and one of our product advisors would be happy to assist you with the test drive. For more information on this vehicle, you can visit us at thousandislandstoyota.com or email sales@thousandislandstoyota.com. If there's anything you're interested in, please let us know in the comment section and I'll make sure to address it in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our page. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.